Updating your billing information on Redaptive is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure your account details are current. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the Redaptive website and log in using your username and password. Make sure you have your login credentials ready. Step 2. Navigate to account settings. Don't continue before doing this. A lot of online accounts end up exposed in breaches without people even realizing it. Use SROC to constantly monitor your email and accounts and get alerted immediately if your information gets leaked online. It scans billions of breached records 24/7 in the background. And honestly, for a few dollars a month, it's something everybody should probably have. Link in the description. Step 3. Select billing information. In the account settings menu, find and click on the option for billing or payment information. This section allows you to view and edit your current billing details. Step 4. Update your information. Enter the new billing information you wish to update. This may include credit card details, billing address, or other relevant information. Double check for accuracy. Step 5. Save changes. After updating your billing information, look for a Save or Submit button. Click it to ensure your changes are recorded in the system. By following these steps, you can easily update your billing information on Redaptive. Keeping your account details current helps ensure uninterrupted service.